Outcast on 4S with 16-tooth pinion and Trackstar shocks, along with T-bone front and rear bumpers and T-bone mudguards in the rear. I haven't driven this truck in such a long time. I've actually forgotten how to drive it, I think. Whew. Just on 4S. Has enough to pop wheelies, which is awesome. And you can see that it's sitting a little bit lower than normal. That's because of the shocks. But I'm curious to see, you know, how they work. Is it still going to be a jumper? Whoa! Bumper doing its job. Is it still going to be a drivable truck? Can it still be jumped if it's lowered like that? Are there any other issues that I need to watch out for here whilst I'm using these shocks? I mean, I know that a lot of you might look at it and go, well, they're too short, I'm not going to use them. That's fine, but you may not use them on your truck, on your Outcast. You might find a use for them in another RC. And believe me, I've got a couple more of these shocks, and I'm probably going to be installing them in another RC in the very near future, and seeing how they work on that. I'm thinking the Hyper SSE, or I think it's called the SSE or the SST, I'm not even sure. I seem to get those two names mixed up. I think the SST is the Nitro and the SSE is the electric version. But on 4S, the Outcast is doing very well. Whoa, easy now. All right, let's go on the big jump. Seems to handle okay around here. Now let's see how it jumps. I can't believe how it pops wheelies on 4S like nothing. Yeah, it jumps all right. Oof. Recovered that pretty well. Tell you what, for 4S, that's almost willing to do a backflip, to be honest. Oh, so nice. Hey, I'm liking this. Yes, they are a little bit short, but you know what? It handles really well. Whoa. You know what? If you don't do too much jumping and you don't have access to a lot of jumps, and you've got an Outcast or a Kraton, and you've got the old shocks and you want something a little bit better, I think these might just be the trick. They're not expensive. And for handling, and for handling, I tell you what, they're actually not too bad. I mean, the truck is not behaving terribly. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can see that it flaps the bottom a little bit. Oi! Man, this thing's got power for days on 4S. Oh no, it had to happen. Whew. Man. This is good. Does like to slap that chassis. Whoa, riding the tip of the wave there. Jeez, I tell you what, living on the edge. Never been a more appropriate time to say that. Man, there's a reason why I love this truck. And all you got to do is remind yourself, all you got to do to remind yourself is just drive it. This thing's just unreal. Oh, Race Wars is going to be fun this year. Well, not Race Wars, right? RC Carnage. When I'm facing off against my mates Creighton and MT4s and whatnot. The way this is handling right now, the way this is driving just on 4S, pretty insane. Yes, come on, keep it going. Man, this thing's fun. Just silly fun. Oh, oops. Oh, now I think I've hit LVC. Well, you know what? Let's go 6S. Alrighty, 6S. You can tell straight away. A lot more scope in that throttle. A lot more scope in that throttle. That wasn't even... That was effortless. What was that? What was that? Oh my god. This truck. Oi! There we go. And we have to go get it. Hard to believe it was actually drizzling this morning. It's turned into this beautiful hot spring day. It almost feels like summer, to be honest. Ooh. Come on, here we go. Double. Double. Double like it's nothing. Double like it's nothing. This truck is just unreal. Hey, can we do a rolling backflip? I haven't done one of those in a while. You reckon we can? Let's try it. We'll need to go on a high traction surface. Hey, we did it! Again? Oh. I love this truck. How can you not? Ooh, almost stuffed that up. The hang time upside down was crazy. Are those shocks doing alright? Are they coping? I mean, this is... Oh, don't you dare go upside down on me. This is abusive to say the least. I mean... People have gone to jail for less, I think. And yeah, I'm getting away with a lot here. Yeah, this thing's handling beautifully. Oh, big kick up. Big slap down. This truck just does not know when to quit. Man, this thing's insane. Wheelies, backflips, standing backflips, rolling backflips. I mean, the Outcast probably, well, I know it's one of the best cars from Arrma. There's no doubt about that. Oh man, oh hang on, it's on the tip there. Oh, I almost had it. Oh, it's shut down. It's either LVC or everything's gotten too hot. Let's go have a look what happened. Yeah, a bit of a thermal shutdown, unfortunately. It's quite warm out today. It's very dry. So there's probably not a lot of good airflow going through the system. And the motor's just gotten incredibly hot. The ESC is very hot as well. Battery is okay. Probably battery's the coolest out of all of them. That's not too bad. But the motor's just way too hot to even touch. So I think last time when I did this it was a much cooler ambient temperature, and today unfortunately we've had a bit of a thermal shutdown, especially with me throttling the way that I was throttling this thing. Certainly doesn't help the situation, but I think we get the idea. T-Bone Racing Parts have done a fantastic job here protecting the shocks from all dirt and debris, kind of chipping away all the paint and getting stuff jammed in there. The shocks themselves actually held up very well. I don't see any leaks, I don't see any broken rod ends. Everything seems to be working and seems to be holding up just fine. No problems there. So I'm pretty happy with the shocks. They've certainly done their job. And of course the T-Bone Racing bumpers, you know, I mean, look at that, that's copped a pounding underneath there, and still holding on, no problem at all. There's probably many more battery packs. If I can hold this thing upside down, it'll be great. There's probably many more battery packs left in these guys. So well done T-Bone Racing on these particular parts. They've definitely done their job. Alright, that is pretty much it for this running video, guys. Thank you all very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, and as always, check out the video description for more information on the truck, as well as links to my social media pages. Thank you all very much for watching, and I'll speak to you next time.